Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told the score of a trivia game is obtained by subtracting the number of incorrect answers from twice the number of correct answers. If the player answered 40 questions and obtained a score of 50, how many questions did the player answer correctly? So first, let's say let x be the number of correct answers, and let y be the number of incorrect answers. Well, if there's 40 questions in total, and they're all either correct or incorrect, we know the correct questions plus the incorrect questions is equal to 40. So x plus y is equal to 40. So if we want to get y in terms of x, we'll see why we want this in a second. Y is equal to 40 minus x. We get that by subtracting x from both sides. So we're told the score, 50, is obtained by subtracting the number of incorrect answers, so y, from 2 times the number of correct answers. So we have 2 times the number of correct answers, so 2x, I should write that next to the actual 50. 50 is equal to twice the number of correct answers, so 2x, and then subtract the number of incorrect answers, subtract y. And we have y in terms of x here, so 50 is equal to 2x minus 40 minus x, plugging in 40 minus x for y since they are equal. So we have 50 is equal to 2x, and then we want to distribute this negative, minus 40, and minus negative x is plus x. The negatives cancel. So adding 40 to both sides, rewriting this up here just so we don't run out of room, 50 plus 40 is 90, is equal to, these cancel, 2x plus x is 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 90 divided by 3 is 30. So x is 30, that's the number of correct questions, and the problem is asking us how many questions did the player answer correctly. So 30x is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.